Section 4, manipulating about manipulating elements. We discuss inner HTML, after method, append method, remove child method, insert before method. This is major or important. We always use in our various project this type of method. We have lots of method. Then at first we discuss inner HTML. The inner HTML and the inner HTML is a property of the element that allows to get or set the HTML markup contained within the element. Have parent, have under child services. We need add about us after services. So at first we need this parent ID menu. Let menu is a document that get element by ID menu. Everyone knows how to take that. Then create new li element here. Create new li element by. Then we need about us to include here. So li dot text content and about us li. We included this about us text. Then where included under the menu dot append child li included li after services. So you use here alert properly shows. The next after method is so easy. The after method is a method of the element type. The element dot after method allows you to insert one or more nodes after the element. Suppose I insert p tag, you insert lots of h2 tag, h3 tag, because we have h1 tag already have. JavaScript before method as like after method. After included later, before included before tag. Here we included before services by insert before method using. Then append tag you know always work by list. So uh, the parent node dot append method inserts a set of node objects or DOM string objects after the last child of a parent node. Have included language different kinds of TypeScript, HTML, CSS, and we take ID, name app. We use map method to iterate this our language, and this is a let nodes is equal to we this iterate values include these nodes. Just let is variable. Yeah. So let li equal to document that create element li. Here TypeScript element create li TypeScript element HTML CSS. Yeah, then return li. Then where app dot append app this id append our method and iterator value included. This one is a spread order. Yeah, everyone or we knows Java objects and arrays have a spread of order. Yeah, we take this spread of order varies of values, iterator values. So, then that's all. You use visual code and Node.js install it. You run that and show the result. Have li JavaScript, then TypeScript here, then HTML, then CSS. Okay, next add remove child. This is so easy and so easy. Introduction to JavaScript remove child method. To remove a child element of a node, you use the remove child method. Let child node parent node dot remove child. Child. We take this formula uses here. Uh, Before same, we just remove about us here from. So at first we take ID menu, then menu dot remove child method, menu dot which element, last element of child, what child, li home, li products, li about us, child, last element. When you run, you don't show your browser about us. Okay, bye bye, thanks.